The most powerful editor currently in the world, the easiest and most complete, photo editing training and making photos and logos in just 5 minutes.
Drop it low, move around, let your skin shout, baby, turn it up, make it work, one more time, you know how it goes, baby, shake your hips, drop it low, move around, let your skin shout, baby, turn it up, make it work, one more time, you know how it goes, baby, shake your hips, drop it low, move around, let your skin shout, baby, turn it up, make it work, one more time, you know how it goes, baby, shake your hips.
Hello flower friends, I'm Selena. I promise you that after watching this video until the end, you will edit and make your own photo. So right now I am asking all you geniuses to subscribe me and support me by doing this. We open the PicsArt program, touch the Create button, in the Artificial Intelligence Tool section. Select the option to convert text to image. Now you can create any photo, edit or logo you want by typing text. It should be noted that there are various options that you can use according to your taste, such as 3D photo, 8K quality, black and white photo, and others. If you encounter a problem or have a question, be sure to leave a comment for me and I will read and answer. Join me as I'm here to make the world of editing easy for you.
Drop it low, move around, let your skin shout, baby, turn it up. You know how it goes, baby, turn it up, 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 turn it up. You know how it goes, baby, turn it up. You got to.
If you don't subscribe, my channel won't grow, so support me.
You know how it goes, baby, shake your hips, drop it low, move around, let your skin show, baby, turn it up, make it work, one more time. You know how it goes, baby, shake your hips, drop it low, move around, let your skin show, baby, turn it up. You know how it goes, baby, turn it up, turn it up, turn it up, let your skin show, baby, turn it up, turn it up, one more time. You know how it goes, baby, turn it, turn it, turn it, let your skin show, baby, turn it, turn it, turn it. You got to turn it up, make it work, one more time. You know how it goes.
And welcome to my tea party. Cookie? Hey, whose balloon is this?
It's mine.
Oh, Penny, can you pass on the Ouija board for me? You sure? I am Belle. Can you tell? You will meet my haunted friends, or you will go to hell. Oh, by the way, have you met Chucky yet?
Yo, what's up, bro?
Thank you very much to my flower friends who were with me until the end of this video. Write me your comments, and if you like the tutorial, leave a comment so that I can teach you. Every day I am the guest of your hearts with a tutorial video. Stars are not born, they are made.